Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a wish list on Airbnb. And there's a few ways how to actually do this. Now, the first thing I want to show you, if you click the three lines on the upper right hand side and click wish list, there is no option to actually create your wish list, right? So in order to create a wish list, you want to go anywhere on your page. Let's say you're going to search for apartment or wherever, or you're scrolling through and you find an apartment, you can easily add that to a wish list. Now, while you're adding it to the wish list, it's going to give you the option to create. So let's say I want to do this apartment here. I can click on the heart. It's going to pop up and say create wish list. Now I just want to give it a name. So let me call this one next trip. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And that's it. You create a wish list. And now when you go to the upper right hand side and click the three lines, click on the wish list, you can see that it is there. Now I want to show you something else. You can also change the name too, or create a new wish list. So let's say you're scrolling again and you find something else. Let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this apartment here. I'm gonna choose something random. Let's say this one. Click on a heart and you can see it pops up on the lower left hand side. You click on change and here it says create new wish list. So I can click on that. Again, I have the folder. I can say for Christmas trip, for example. Click and create. Now when you go to your wish list, when you click three dots on the upper right hand side and click on wish list, you can see that you have the two different folders there. And that's it. So you can easily go ahead and create wish lists and add items to wish list. And as you can see, the more you can always change it as well. So if you want to change where the product is actually going, if you want to change where the apartment is actually going into the wish list, you can also click and change as well. And from there, you can choose whichever folder you want to, or even create a new wish list folder. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.